in the process of renovating my downstairs bathroom. It's one that's not used very often and it needed some tender, loving care. And I decided when I was cleaning the tile, I was going to clean the grout also. There seemed to be 3 different methods that people were using on YouTube or on the internet to clean the grout. So I thought, well, which one's best? I couldn't determine. So I'm going to sample a little on my tile floor, one of each method, and then decide which is the best and the one I want to do the entire floor with. Now, I just have to mention, I bought all these products. I am not endorsed by any product. This was just something I wanted to try myself. Here's the bathroom floor. I do not know what color the grout is supposed to be because as far as I know, it's never been clean. So let's get started, use 3 different methods and see which cleans this grout the best. So these are the 3 methods we're going to try. We're going to try the baking soda and peroxide on the left there. In the middle, it's the Clorox cleaner. And on the right side is more of a professional Grout Eez. So let's get started. So I have some baking soda here. Pour a little in here. There we go. And then I'm going to put it right around here. So just kind of try to, might be easier. Put it right in the grout. We'll do the same on this side. And we'll do the same down below here. Get it spread out. Now, I bought this at the dollar store. It's hydrogen peroxide in a spray bottle, which makes this easier. Spray the whole area really well with hydrogen peroxide. And I'll just give it another spray. There we go. And maybe just, well, I guess that wasn't the best idea, just trying to get it in there. Now we'll let that set. So our next one is the Clorox cleaner. And that's easy because that's just in a spray bottle. So, well, and then I'll just put it halfway up here so we can kind of see how it goes. And again, we're going to let it sit. Next we have our Grout Eez. We want to shake it well first. Okay. I smell it. It smells like it's got ammonia in it. Okay. And we'll just do it right there. If I'm cleaning the whole floor, you should be wearing gloves. It's good to wear eye protection. But this is just a test before I clean the entire floor. So now we're going to let all of this set for 15 minutes and then be back for the moment of truth. Our 15 minutes has expired. So now we're going to take our brush, just a little. A little water here. Well, if this is the color it's supposed to be, it looks pretty clean. And we'll clean it off a little bit when we're done, just so we can compare these better. Okay, time for the next. And again, just going to scrub it a bit. Oops. Well, I can say that this is just a little bit easier than the baking soda because it is more liquid. It isn't going to leave that kind of different color. Now let's see about the Grout Eez. And again. Ooh, now this one, look at this. It's coming off with, oh, look at that. I mean, this looks dirty. Well, just based on this, it sure seems like it's getting up more dirt. See, look at that. So here's my opinion on the results of this test. Probably the least caustic method to use is the baking soda and hydrogen peroxide. And the baking soda is a bit abrasive, and then the hydrogen peroxide a bit bleach, so makes sense that it would work. But I wasn't that impressed by the results, and I didn't like removing the clumpy residue. Now, the Clorox cleaner was easy to apply. You just spray it on, and it probably is sufficient. But I was really impressed by the Easy Grout Cleaner. You know, when you put it down and you wiped off your cloth, you actually got brown on the cloth. And that's probably because it's strong enough that it is actually taking some of the dye up from the grout. So definitely a powerful acid, and then I believe it's combined with a detergent. But to me, that worked best. Now, when you're using that Easy Grout, you should wear protective eyewear, you know, goggles, and some gloves just to protect your hands, because it definitely is strong. And I found something that worked better than the toothbrush in the grout. So let me show you this. You would get 3 of these at once. They're heavy grout cleaning brushes, and they're great for when you're going up and down in the shower. I really like these brushes. It made it a lot easier to really scrub the grout. So I want to put a warning here that Easy Grout should not be used on natural stone tiles. This is only for porcelain or ceramic tiles. That is all you should use it on. You could ruin your finish on your natural stone tiles. Well, you be the judge. Let me show you the finished floor. I have to give it a once over yet to get it completely clean, but I think the grout is looking darn good. So, love to hear from you. What did you find to be the best grout cleaner? What do you usually use? Please comment below. And always thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe and share the knowledge. Thumbs up if you liked it. Click on that little bell below if you want to receive future notifications. Thanks so much for watching.